Nando Babo Kabalin, welcome to Pampanga. For today's video, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Apalit, Pampanga, and we were invited by PURICO'S Cabin Resort. For today's vlog, guys, I'm gonna show you the place, the amenities, yung experience namin. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Start natin yung vlog dito sa may unahan ng resort. So if you notice, guys, yung mga cabins natin yung mga A-frame or mga A-houses yung mga design nila. So for now, I believe they have like 6 cabins available for rent. And then from here, ayan, dito yung mga indoor parking lot natin. Although meron din siya sa labas. Immediately after you enter, you'll be greeted with the office or the lobby. As of now, there are 2 types of cabins for the rates. Meron tayong 6,999 pesos and then the other one is 9,999 pesos. We are staying at 9,999 and that is actually good for up until 6 siguro, no, 4 to 6 person. Around 6 p.m. Ayan guys, this is how it looks like during a sunset. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda ng view. So, water temperature, hindi gaano malamig. So, fit na fit siya para mag-dip, guys. Yun. You might notice na meron background music kasi dito, guys, meron din tayong events place wherein 100 person can actually fit in. It's an outdoor events place. As far as I know, it's around 15,000 pesos for 100 person. Yun. Pwede rin palang mag photoshoot dito, guys, if you want. Some parts of the resort is still work in progress. You might come here early and pansin nyo, guys, meron pang mga construction. That is because they want to improve more. This is the place. Ito yung parang outdoor events nila. Also, guys, no, additionally, I saw some parang ATV activities, no. Sa likod natin dito is parang siyang lagoon. We're fishing, mom. We're fishing. Bye, guys. Yo!
Gulat ako! Raid!
Oh, nakagulat talaga ako. Alam ko yun. So, yun, guys. Let me give you a quick tour naman dito sa cabin namin. Hi, baby. You good? Alright. So, sa taas tayo, guys. I wanna start from the second level. A little bit messy kasi nga, this is our second day. Last night was really, na-enjoy ako. Nag-enjoy talaga ako, guys. So, dito sa second floor, ayan, notice, meron tayong 2 beds. Size natin is queen size. It can accommodate siguro 2 adults, 1 kid. And then yung feel natin dito is very into the woods, no? Parang ako feel ko parang nasa Baguio. Yung structure and yung pinaka theme ng bahay, no? We are at the back area and notice dito, so we have tables and chairs, good for small family. And then dito rin guys, meron tayong bubble jet pool. Actually, it's also temperature controlled. You can add in hot water and on mo lang yun. This is actually fit. For example, tapos ka nang magbaba doon, you still wanna continue indoor or within the property, within your house. Ito yun guys, you start here. And what a way to enjoy.